So in my previous section of video, I was talking about how they attach track sections together using these steel plates that are held together by bolts called fish plates. I walked to the other side of the power lines right-of-way, and it seems like when they created the right-of-way, their solution was just bulldozer the rail section up into a earth embankment and then mark it with pink tape so no one just runs into it with a piece of equipment under limited visibility or even regular visibility. But here's what a fish plate is. You see it over there to the left of that piece of pink marking tape. Climb through these brushes a little bit over here. You know that hardware is old if it's not a hexagonal nut. Those square nuts is traditionally what was used before it was really easy to make hexagonal nuts. So that's quite aged. And the same with that carriage bolt on the other side. And if I'm not mistaken, those gouges right there are for clips to go around. Here's an example of a clip right here. Whether it dampens out vibrations on the rail or just prevents the rail from sliding forward and back. But man, I can imagine how difficult it would be. Oh look, there's another section of rail right beneath the one up there, this one down here. I can imagine how difficult it is to handle rail if you don't have the equipment, the proper tongs and the hoists, because it's not light being steel and very long in length. It can be quite the ungainly thing to try to take care of, and it's quite strong. Having to have railroad rolling stock go over it on a regular basis, it has to be. Plus in a curve, you know, you've got your translation forces and so on. Love it. Thanks for watching.